Has someone ever spoken English to you and you just smiled and nodded?
Oh no, yes, many times, too many times.
You smiled, you nodded, but inside you understood nothing.
Zero, complete zero, but I kept smiling like everything was fine.
Why do we do that? Why do we pretend?
Because we do not know what to say. We do not have the words.
Exactly. And that is the problem we are solving today, right here on Speak Mint English channel.
Yes, today you will never have to fake smile again. You will know exactly what to say.
We are going to teach you polite phrases for when you do not understand.
Simple phrases, easy to remember, ready to use today. Let us go.
But first, one small request. Very quick, I promise.
30 seconds, I timed it. 30 seconds only.
If Speak Mint English helps you learn, please subscribe to our channel right now.
Just click subscribe. It's free. It takes 2 seconds. Do it now.
And please share this episode with one friend who is learning English.
One friend. Your friend needs this. Maybe your friend is also fake smiling right now.
And if today helps you, give us a like. It really means so much to us.
Okay, 30 seconds done. Now let us learn some very useful phrases.
Okay, today's topic is what to say when you do not understand in English.
So phrases for when I am confused, when I have no idea what someone said.
Exactly. Simple, polite phrases you can use in real life, anytime, any place.
This is so important because this happens every single day for a beginner.
Yes, someone speaks fast, or they use a word you do not know, or the accent is different.
And your brain just stops, blank, nothing, like a phone with no battery.
Yes, dead battery brain. We know that feeling.
So instead of smiling and nodding, we learn what to actually say, right?
Right, and these phrases are polite. They are friendly. Nobody will be angry or annoyed.
People actually respect you more when you ask because it shows you want to understand.
Beautifully said, Ryan. Okay, let us start with our first phrase. The first and most useful phrase is, "Sorry, can you say that again, please?"
Oh, short, simple, polite. I love it.
This phrase works everywhere, at work, at school, at a shop, anywhere.
And the word sorry at the beginning, it makes it sound very polite, not rude at all.
Exactly. Sorry softens the request. It shows respect.
What if I want to sound even more polite? Is there another way to say it?
Yes, you can say, "I am sorry, could you please repeat that?"
Ooh, that sounds very professional, very educated.
It does. Could is more polite than can. Remember that.
Could you please repeat that? I will use that one at work.
Perfect. Both phrases mean the same thing. Use the one you feel comfortable with.
Listeners, say both phrases out loud right now. Ready?
Phrase 1, "Sorry, can you say that again, please?" Say it.
Phrase 2, I am sorry, could you please repeat that? Say it.
We're waiting. Say both phrases. Do not be shy.
Did you say them? Amazing, you already know 2 powerful phrases. Keep going.
Step 2. What if the person is speaking too fast?
Oh, this is a big problem for me. Some people talk so fast, like a racing car.
Yes, speed is a very common problem for beginners.
So what do I say? How do I ask them to slow down?
Very simple. You say, "Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please?"
Perfect. And that's not rude. The person will not feel bad.
Not at all. Most people are happy to slow down. They want you to understand.
That makes me feel better because I always felt embarrassed to ask.
Never feel embarrassed. Asking is smart. Pretending is the problem, not asking.
You can also add, I am still learning English. That explains everything.
Yes, you can say, "Sorry, I am still learning English. Can you speak more slowly, please?"
Oh, wow. That full sentence, it's so honest and so friendly.
People love honesty. When you say, "I am still learning," they become very kind and patient.
I tried this once. The other person smiled and said, no problem, take your time.
See? People are kind. You just need to ask.
Listeners, your turn. Say, sorry, can you speak more slowly, please?
Say it out loud, nice and clear. Go.
Did you say it? Wonderful. That phrase will save you so many times.
Step 3. What if you understand most of the sentence, but one word is new?
Oh, yes, this happens a lot. I understand everything except one word, and that one word changes everything.
Exactly. So for this, you ask about that specific word.
How? What do I say?
You say, sorry, what does that word mean?
Simple and direct. I like that.
Or you can say the word, sorry, what does, and then repeat the word, mean.
For example, sorry, what does schedule mean? Like that?
Exactly like that. You pick out the word and ask about just that one word.
Oh, that is so smart because the rest of the sentence I already understood.
Right. No need to ask for the whole thing again. Just the one word.
What if I did not catch the word? I heard a sound, but I do not know what word it was.
Good question. Then you say, sorry, I did not catch that. Can you repeat the last part?
I did not catch that. I love that phrase. It sounds very natural.
It does. Catch means to hear and understand clearly. Very common in English conversations.
Listeners, try both phrases now.
Phrase 1. Sorry, what does that word mean? Say it.
Phrase 2, sorry, I did not catch that. Say it.
Go. Out loud, nice and clear.
Did you try? Great job. You are building your phrase toolkit.
Step 4. Checking if you understood correctly.
Ooh, this is important too, because sometimes I think I understood, but maybe I am wrong.
Exactly. So you check. You repeat what you heard and ask if it is correct.
How do I do that?
You say, so you mean, and then you repeat what you understood. Is that right?
Oh, like, so you mean the meeting is at 3 o'clock, is that right?
Perfect. That is exactly how you use it.
And the other person says yes or no, and now I know if I understood correctly.
Exactly. No more guessing. No more fake smiling. You confirm.
You can also say, let me make sure I understand. You said, and then repeat it.
Yes, let me make sure I understand is a very smart and confident phrase.
It sounds professional, like a business person or a smart student.
It does, because it shows you are listening carefully and taking it seriously.
Listeners, try this one now. Say, so you mean, and finish with something.
For example, so you mean I need to bring my passport, is that right?
Practice that sentence. Say it now. Go.
Did you say it? Excellent. You are getting really good at this. Step 5. Asking someone to write it down for you.
Oh, sometimes hearing is hard, but if I can see the word, I understand right away.
Exactly, and asking someone to write it is perfectly fine. Very normal.
What do I say?
You say, sorry, can you write that down for me, please?
So simple, and it's very useful for names, addresses, difficult words.
Yes, especially for names or numbers. Those are hard to catch by ear.
I always struggle with phone numbers in English. The person says it once and gone.
So you say, sorry, can you write that down? Or, sorry, can you say the number again slowly?
One number at a time. That's the trick.
Exactly. Or in today's world, you can even say, can you send me a message with that?
Oh, wow, yes. WhatsApp, message, email, very modern and very useful.
Language is flexible. Use whatever helps you understand.
Listeners, say this one now. Sorry, can you write that down for me, please?
Say it nice and polite.
Did you say it? Perfect. One more phrase in your toolkit.
Okay, let's learn 5 very useful words for today's topic. Ready?
Always ready for vocabulary. Words are power.
The word repeat means to say something again.
For example, can you please repeat that? I did not hear you.
The word polite means being kind and respectful in the way you speak.
For example, she was very polite. She always said please and thank you.
The word clarify means to make something easier to understand.
For example, can you clarify what time the class starts? I'm not sure.
The word confused means when you don't understand something and you feel lost.
For example, I was confused when he spoke very fast. I did not follow anything.
And the last word, patient. Patient means calm and willing to wait or help.
For example, my English teacher is very patient. She always explains slowly and clearly.
5 great words. Repeat, polite, clarify, confused, patient.
Say them all with me. Repeat, polite, clarify, confused, patient. Go.
Say each word clearly, one by one.
Did you say them all? Wonderful. Those words will help you in so many conversations.
Okay, listeners, let's do a real practice now, a short role play.
Yes, I love roleplay. This is the fun part.
Imagine you're at work. Your manager comes to you and speaks very fast.
Oh no, fast manager, my worst fear.
He says, "Can you finish the Johnson report by Thursday and send it to the entire team?"
Okay, you caught most of it, but Thursday, or is it Tuesday? You're not sure.
What do you say? Use one of today's phrases.
You could say, sorry, I want to make sure I understand. Did you say Thursday?
Perfect. That's exactly right. You check the one thing you were not sure about.
Listeners, your turn. Practice that sentence right now. Say, sorry, I want to make sure I understand. Did you say, and finish it.
Go, out loud. Pretend you're talking to your manager.
Did you try? Amazing! You just handled a real work situation in English.
Let's try one more. You're at a cafe. The person at the counter says something.
And the cafe is noisy. Music, people talking, cups, so much noise.
The person says something, but you only heard half of it. What do you say?
Easy. Sorry, I did not catch that. Can you say it again, please?
Yes, that's the perfect phrase for noisy places.
Listeners, say that phrase right now. Sorry, I did not catch that.
Say it nice and clearly, like you're really at that noisy cafe. Go.
Did you say it? Excellent work. You are so ready for real life now.
Okay, let us quickly remember everything we learned today.
Yes, so many useful phrases. Let's go through them all.
Phrase 1. Sorry, can you say that again, please?
The classic one, simple and polite. Use it anywhere, anytime.
Phrase 2. I'm sorry, could you please repeat that?
The professional one. Use it at work or in formal situations.
Phrase 3. Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please?
For the fast talkers, the racing car speakers, this phrase slows them down.
Phrase 4. Sorry, I'm still learning English. Can you speak more slowly?
Honest and warm. People always become kind when they hear this.
Phrase 5. Sorry, what does that word mean? For the one mystery word, ask about just that word. Very efficient.
Phrase 6, sorry, I did not catch that. Can you repeat the last part?
I did not catch that sounds so natural. Very native English.
So you mean, and then repeat what you understood, is that right?
The confirmation phrase. Check your understanding before you act.
And phrase 8, sorry, can you write that down for me, please?
For names, numbers, difficult words, ask it for writing. Smart move.
8 phrases. That's a lot of power for one episode.
8 phrases that will change your English conversations forever.
You know, so many learners feel embarrassed when they don't understand.
I know. I was one of those people. I felt so bad every time I had to ask.
But the truth is, asking shows strength, not weakness.
It really does, because you're choosing to learn. You're choosing to understand. Ryan, tell the listeners your airport story.
Oh, okay. So I was at the airport, first time traveling alone. My English, not great.
And what happened?
The woman at the counter said something, very fast. American accent. I understood nothing.
And what did you do?
I smiled and nodded. I had no idea what she said. Then I walked away.
Oh no, and then?
Then I went to the wrong gate. I almost missed my flight because I was too scared to ask.
Oh, Ryan, that's a real story about what happens when we do not ask.
Exactly. If I had just said, sorry, can you say that again, please? Everything would have been fine.
And now, would you ask?
100%. Every single time. I don't care how many times I need to ask.
That's the right attitude. Listeners, please remember this story.
Asking is not embarrassing. Asking is smart. Asking saves you from wrong gates.
Small steps are okay. Practice every day. You're doing great.
Every time you use one of these phrases, that's a win, a real win.
We're so proud of you. You came here to learn, and you're learning. That's everything.
You are braver than you think, and your English is getting better every single day.
Before we go, one very easy and fun request.
Super easy, I promise. You'll enjoy this one.
Go to the comments right now and write one phrase from today that you will use.
Just one phrase, the one you like the most. Write it in the comments.
We read every comment, every single one. We'd love to see your answer.
And if you're not subscribed to Speak Mint English yet, what are you waiting for?
Subscribe right now. New episodes every week. All for beginners, all free, all fun.
And share this episode with one friend who's learning English.
That friend is probably fake smiling right now. Send them this episode.
Save your friend from the fake smile. Share this now.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today's episode of Speak Mint English.
Already? No, I want to practice more phrases.
There's always next week, Ryan. We'll be back very soon.
And remember, you have 8 powerful phrases now. 8.